Hello, today we will guide you through how to set partial take profit in Exness. In this walkthrough, we'll use Exness Web Trading to partially close an open position, which is a common way traders secure some profit while keeping the rest of the trade active. The process is simple once you know where to look, and we'll move through it clearly from start to finish. To begin, go to your Exness personal area in your browser. This is the main dashboard where you manage your trading accounts and access trading tools. Make sure you're signed in and on the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you're in the personal area, click on Trade. This will open the trading options available for your account. Look carefully at the available choices so you select the correct trading environment. Next, choose the option to trade directly from your browser. This launches the web-based trading platform, which allows you to manage positions without needing to install separate software. If the platform takes a moment to load, just wait until your charts and open positions are fully visible before moving on. After the trading interface opens, locate the position you want to manage and click on Modify Position. This is the section where you can make changes to an active trade. Take a quick moment here to confirm that you've selected the correct instrument and open order, since any action you take will apply to that position. From the Modify Position menu, click on Partial Close. This option is used when you want to close only part of your trade instead of exiting the entire position. It's useful if you want to lock in some gains while leaving the remainder of the position running. You'll then be asked to enter the volume to close, type in the sample volume, or the amount you want to close from the total open position. Be careful here because this value determines how much of the trade will be exited. It's a good idea to double check the number before confirming, especially if your total volume is small. Once everything looks correct, click on Close Position. This submits the partial close request and completes the action. After that, you should see that part of the trade has been closed, while the remaining volume stays open in your active positions. And that's it. You've successfully set a partial take profit in Exness by partially closing your position through the browser-based platform. If you're following along in real time, always review the order details one last time before confirming any trade action.